We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x16 utility trailer with 2-foot mesh sides and stacked baskets. This is a straight deck trailer. Does have 2 foot of mesh sides. Does come with stacked baskets at the front. Top one does fold down. Your bottom basket has doors that open up on both sides. They do lock by pin. There are tie-down points built in. This is a tandem axle. It has 2 greaseable 3,500 pound axles. Has your diamond plate fenders. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring. Does come fully wired with LED drive lights. This is a tall reinforced gate. It is spring assisted. Has your spare tire holder here. Once again, this is the 7x16 utility trailer with 2-foot mesh sides and stacked baskets. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.